What's up, guys? Today, we are talking about oats. We're going to go over what they are, why you should eat them, and how to prepare them. Let's get into it. So first things first, what is oats? Oats is a grain that comes from a plant called Avena sativa. It's part of the wheat family, and it's one of the oldest cultivated crops in human history. In fact, there's evidence of oat cultivation dating back 7,000 years ago in what is now Turkey. But it wasn't until 2,000 years later that oats became a common food grain. They were a staple of the Irish diet in the Middle Ages and have been popular ever since. The way we process oats is by harvesting the seeds from the plant after it's flowered and then threshing the seeds from the chaff. The resulting grain can be ground into flour, rolled into flakes or steel cut into groats or hulled. Oats is an excellent source of fiber and protein. In fact, a 1-cup serving of cooked oats contains 8 grams of protein and 4 grams of fiber. Plus, oats are high in many important vitamins and minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc. So let's take a look at some of the benefits of adding oats to your diet. First, oats are high in fiber. This can help improve digestion and prevent constipation. The fiber in oats also helps to lower cholesterol levels, which reduces your risk of heart disease. Second, oats are a good source of protein. This makes them a great option for vegetarians and vegans as well as anyone looking to increase their protein intake. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissue, making enzymes and hormones, and keeping your immune system strong. Third, oats are rich in vitamins and minerals. They are a good source of magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc. Magnesium is important for muscle function and nerve conduction. Phosphorus helps with bone health, and zinc is necessary for wound healing and healthy skin. Fourth, oats may help regulate blood sugar levels. This is due to the soluble fiber in oats, which slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. This can help prevent spikes in blood sugar levels, which is important for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Fifth, oats may help you lose weight. Despite being high in carbohydrates, oats are a filling food that can help you stay satiated for longer periods of time. This can lead to reduced calorie intake and ultimately weight loss. Sixth, oats are versatile and easy to prepare. They can be used in a variety of dishes, from breakfast cereals to baked goods to savory side dishes. Oats are also very easy to cook. Simply bring water or milk to a boil. Add oats and reduce heat to low. Simmer for 5 and 10 minutes or until desired consistency is reached. Seventh, oats are affordable and have a long shelf life. This makes them a convenient and cost-effective option for those looking to add more whole grains to their diet. Oats can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 years. Now that we know all the benefits of oats, let's talk about some ways to incorporate them into your diet. First, oats are a popular breakfast cereal. They can be prepared with water or milk and topped with fruits, nuts, or honey. For a quick and easy breakfast, try overnight oats. Simply combine oats, milk, and your favorite toppings in a jar or bowl, and let sit in the refrigerator overnight. You can also use oats to make granola bars or muffins. They add a chewy texture and nutty flavor to these snacks. Plus, oats are a good source of fiber and protein, so you'll feel full and satisfied after eating them. Another way to enjoy oats is to use them as a thickener for soups and stews. The fiber in oats will absorb liquid and help to thicken the consistency of the soup or stew. This is especially useful if you're looking for a gluten-free thickening agent. Finally, you can use oats to make delicious side dishes. Try cooking oats with broth instead of water for a savory flavor. You can also add vegetables, herbs, or spices to make a more interesting side dish. Now that we know how to prepare oats, let's take a look at some of our favorite recipes. First is the classic oatmeal. To make this recipe, you will need 1/2 cup of oats, 1 cup of milk or water, a pinch of salt, and your favorite toppings. In a small saucepan, combine oats, milk, and salt. Bring to a boil over medium heat, then reduce heat to low and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes or until thickened. Top with fruit, nuts, or honey and enjoy. Next is the savory oat side dish. To make this recipe, you will need 1/2 cup of oats, 1 cup of broth, 1/4 cup of chopped vegetables, 1 tablespoon of butter or olive oil, and your favorite herbs and spices. In a medium saucepan, combine oats, broth, and butter or olive oil. Bring to a boil over medium heat, then reduce heat to low and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes or until thickened. Stir in vegetables and spices and continue to simmer for 5 more minutes. Serve warm as a side dish. For the next recipe, we're going to make some protein balls. These are a great snack or dessert option, and they're super easy to make. You will need 1/2 cup of oats, 1/4 cup of peanut butter, 1/4 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of chocolate chips, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a large bowl, combine all ingredients and mix well. Roll mixture into 1-inch balls and then roll in additional oats or chocolate chips. Refrigerate for 1 hour before serving. Next, we're going to make a tasty granola bar recipe. You will need 1/3 cup of oats, 1/3 cup of chopped nuts, 1/3 cup of dried fruit, 1/4 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line an 808 baking dish with parchment paper. In a medium bowl, combine oats, nuts, and dried fruit. In a small saucepan, combine honey, butter, and vanilla extract. Bring to a boil over medium heat, then reduce heat to low and simmer for 1 minute. Pour honey mixture over oat mixture and stir to combine. Press mixture into prepared baking dish and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until golden brown. Let cool completely before cutting into bars. Last but not least, we're going to make some delicious muffins. You will need 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of oats, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 cup of butter, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 egg, 1/3 cup of milk, and 1/2 cup of blueberries. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a muffin pan with paper liners. In a medium bowl, whisk together flour, oats, baking soda, and salt. In a large bowl, cream together butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in egg, then stir in milk. Gradually add dry ingredients to wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Fold in blueberries. Divide batter evenly among muffin cups. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. So there you have it, folks. Oats are a nutritious and versatile grain that can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. They are high in fiber and protein and contain many important vitamins and minerals. Plus, oats are easy to prepare and have a long shelf life, making them a convenient and affordable option for those looking to add more whole grains to their diet. So, why not give oats a try? You may be surprised at how much you enjoy them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new about oats. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I would love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an exciting video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.